just a quick walking tour of Wythenshawe Town Centre. So join me today on a very sunny, I think it's the 2nd of October. Okay, so just behind me is a new farm foods that's being built. There's lots of car parking here, and you've got a multi-storey as well. So I'm just going to walk you through, show you what shops are here. So if you're thinking of coming shopping in Wythenshawe, you know what to expect. We've got a fairly big Asda here, loads of parking, and the post office. You do get 2 hours free parking with no return. It's got parking eye that monitors it, so just be careful with your timings. All your trolleys are coin operated. There's a couple that aren't, but most are coin operated. That's the exit to the other side of Asda. And here you get the lift up to the car park. Okay, so I'll walk you this way and take you over to where the civic centre is and the tram stop. Wythenshawe has been lucky enough to get a levelling up grant. I think of around about 20 million, and they're going to do quite a lot of work on this precinct in the local area. I think they're making housing, improving the centre itself, and office buildings, from what I've read. So the building directly in front of me here is the Forum. It's got a library inside. It's got a big theatre inside, and it's got a public swimming pool and a gym. And the tram stop is here, which will take you to Manchester Victoria, Piccadilly, and it concludes the other way around at Manchester Airport. Really handy system. I use it all the time. £4.90 for the day. Can't argue with that. Okay. That's the other side of the car park where we just were. Home zone has just recently moved. That used to be at the front of the car park, and it's now just swapped over with the newly being built farm foods. So what I'll do is I'll walk you up this way, then that way. I'll go around this square here, show you where the fast food outlets are, the McDonald's and the KFC, and then bring you back down this way and conclude just before we go back into Asda again. It's a shame to see, but a lot of the shops are closed down. This in front of me used to be the travel agents, yeah. I think it was a TUI. It's shut. These are all the future plans for the area. So they are going to do a lot of work. You never go too far away from a Costa coffee. Welcome to Wythenshawe. I'll give them credit here. They do quite a lot of stuff going on during the summer months for the kids. Christmas. I always try to put something on here in the centre from time to time. And this place is one of the best Thai takeout places in Manchester, so I believe. I've not had any yet, but they do amazing Thai food here. So you've got a takeout. It is good. I'll walk you up on this side and walk you down on the other. And you see right up our charity shop, everything is £8. You can get some right good deals here. I've got suits and shorts and t-shirts and all sorts from here. Barbers, nails. I don't know why it's just shut today, but there's normally handbags and stuff. That's what Curryware Farm Foods is. So that will be moving. Wilkes is currently empty. This area here sets up as an outdoor market. Don't know what days, can't remember. But these areas where you can see the concrete, that's where the stalls are located. I think they do weekends or maybe a day or two a week. Fortunately, the computer shop shut down, which I used to use a lot. But still got a blind shop open and half decent chippy here as well. Okay, so spin you back round. What is in front of me here used to be the indoor market. It's currently closed. It's been closed for a while. It's quite handy. You used to have some decent takeout stuff in there. Meat stalls, bread stalls. Well, that's all gone. So you're just coming out to the back of the shopping centre here. In front of me is where the old bus station used to be. I'm going to walk you straight back into the centre in a moment. I just wanted to show you where the Sports Direct was. So you've got another car park here at the back of the, again with 2 hours parking, and you've got your Sports Direct over here as well. So if you can't find parking at the front or in a multi-storey, you can go and park here. And this is the area, I assume that this is the area where they're going to modernise. You've got your McDonald's here, which is a drive-through, and you can park. You've got a KFC, and I think there's a pizza place there as well. Okay, let's take you back into the main shopping area. I'll walk you through this way. This is the back of where the market the indoor market used to be. As you can see the sign there. Wythenshawe Market. That's the layout of the centre. Okay. So yeah, just through here was the outdoor market. It's all closed up there. You can see inside. Yeah. All closed. They say these shops are normally open, so it just must be a day off today. Okay. Take it back on this side. News agents that's currently closed. Bernardo's closed. Most town centres have one of these electronic places. Vodafone. That just seems a shame all these shops are closed. So Wednesday afternoon today, so it's nice and quiet. All the kids back at school. This area is often set up as well for stalls here just in front. Like they've got here. Selling all kinds of knickknacks. And I think the internet has shut pretty much all the travel agents down. Loads of parking up there as well. And that's one thing you don't see very often these days, natural butchers. I think all these buildings here are going to be under renovation soon as well. They're all currently empty. And there you go. You've got your takeout stuff here. Domino's, McDonald's and your KFC. Okay, so I think that's a good point to conclude the video here. If you like this kind of walkthrough content, I'm doing it everywhere I go. Like and subscribe. Helps my little channel grow. It's free, no charge. Okay, and thank you for watching.